Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a stray dog named Max, known for his friendly nature. Max earned the title of good boy from the locals. One day, a kind hearted girl named Emma noticed Max and decided to be his friend. They formed an inseparable bond, and together, they brought joy to the entire community by spreading love and happiness. Max, the good boy, became a beloved legend in the town, teaching everyone the power of friendship and kindness. In a bustling city, there was a mischievous but lovable dog named Charlie. Despite his playful antics, Charlie always managed to make people smile. One day, Charlie discovered a lost puppy in the park. Determined to help, he led the little pup on a heartwarming adventure through the city streets. Along the way, they encountered challenges, but with Charlie's clever tricks and the puppy's enthusiasm, they overcame every obstacle. In the end, the duo not only found the puppy's home but also created a lasting friendship that